Box cover, this is Berry and welcome to a brand new top 15. Oh gosh, 10 and 5. 15 social media countdown. I'm for big up for supporting the last social media countdown because the video got over 100,000 views on YouTube. They reached #1 on trending and all of these things. So big up on yourself, burritos. And yeah, big up all of the teachers them where I also for the money because they work hard so they deserve the compensation. So let's get right into the countdown. Number 15, Kartel Mania. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, Beyonce and Jay-Z, them in a Jamaica. People, Beyonce, R&B, Soul Stress, Grammy Award, multiple winning and all of these things. Beyonce, Mogul and Jay-Z, Mr. Businessman, $1 billion boss, is our in a Jamaica. Them in a Kingston people and all of the places. You would have think that Beyonce and Jay-Z would have cock up in a Strawberry Hill. No people, them run go to Trenchtown to be shooting scenes for them upcoming Underworld Tour promo.
Jay-Z there! Jay-Z! Jay-Z! Jay-Z!
Yeah,
Beyonce!
there you go, hold on. Come on, what you guys stressing too much, man. Mama, everything out of where you do?
They come like say Jay-Z and Beyonce, they listen to the song, yeah.
Cock up your big bumper on the bike back. Bumper ready for the RR bike back. See the chunk of it, you can't ride that. You like that, the bike back. You know you shot up shots on the bike back.
And here's what, as much as I'm kind of cool, I'm kind of second out right now, you know one thing that push me across the edge? You see, if I see anybody, I mean anybody with a selfie with Beyonce, with Jay-Z, with Blue Hive, with what their name, Syrian Rum Punch, me remember, but if I see anybody put up one picture, one selfie with Beyonce, while she in Jamaica, God, Father Jesus, me I beg you one day pass for bad mind. Me just want bad mind for 24 hours straight. Nobody could tell Beyonce the whole, all the streets kind of work, so you can't really wear one orange suit in a one JLP area, because I think Trenchtown a JLP area, so somebody could have pinched her still like, yeah. And oh, I'm not interested to the part where I meet Beyonce, so let me go tell you the whole story. I don't know if I'm getting a problem with non-disclosure and all of these things. But anyway, some of the women may say, you know, Beyonce, me here, so she out on Spanish Town Road and these things. And me say, oh, me gonna meet her, let me go see if me can jump in one car and rush go down there for go, you know, for go see if me can get one little picture from a distance. Into, you know. So, as me about to go do that now, I'm gonna link up to, I'm gonna celebrity contacts them. Somebody call me back and say, yo, check your DM. And so I say, alright, I'm gonna check my DM now because, you know, something in it now. When I check my DM now, I see this message. Beyonce in Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica. That is good enough for me. I've officially met Beyonce. And there and then people, me just realize, so I meet Beyonce, I legit have met Beyonce. And Jay-Z, me just not have a selfie to prove it, but I meet, according to this tweet, I meet Beyonce. I done, I can't retire. I done the YouTube thing, yeah. Number 14, quick thinking, me center table. People, so imagine you are in a one house, one building that is being engulfed by fire. And you have a decision, you have a choice. Which part of your body you want to spare? Which part would you decide to second upon? Me I try to think right now. I think, more one to affect my gap, the anterior, and like my left knee. Yeah, I kind of have a little special connection in my left knee. But hear what this brother had to say.
I received facial burns, complete facial burns. I received burns to both hands. I received burns to my leg up to my groin. Whilst in the fire, I had a second decision to make, save the face or save the groin. And I decided to save the groin. As a result, the groin is still intact, but the face suffered bitterly.
Bite of the week is brought to you.
You agree with him, people? But I don't know, like, if it did burn up this, so that would be like, I don't know, if a girl did burn up right this, so they'd call it like a crispy. Number 13, High Note. Box cover. So if you do not know, one of my favorite artists of all time is the great, the legendary Whitney Houston. And yeah, there's only few people who can really do her justice. One of them being Tess and Chin. Yeah, you remember the little performance here when she was her on The Vice.
This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide.
And then recently, I stumbled across this video on Facebook with this brother who apparently goes by the name of Chin as well, performing at one hotel. What the hotel name again? Jesus Christ, the hotel where the people ever drop down. The hotel of the people never drop down when the people tell you, but you don't know the hotel me I talk about that. So it looked like, you know, this brother was singing and he tore it down the house. comments say shell. Number 12, detention. Box cover. So this video was seen on Facebook the other day with some pitney in Trinidad at one school named Barataria Secondary. Yeah, secondary high. And people, yes, them did hard deserve it. They pitted them instead of them go to school. Them they on the street side wait on loud music and loud taxi for go to school and a chit chat and a gallivant and all of these things. When some police officers stumbled upon the scene and decided say them going to take the situation in them own hands. Me say when the officers them see the pitney, the officers them line them up and make them walk all the way to school. They could not jump on no taxi or no bus. Them could not talk to each other. And me have to commend the security forces for this sort of action, and would I like to see some of this squad in Jamaica because yeah, after 3 and
no talking in my life. No talking.
And now check out the random video of the week. Hi there. Did you know that Jamaicans are world renowned for getting bun? Yes sir. We get bun when we partners cheap and we really Stacey. You give a bun for your own birthday for the bed when we buy for you. We hard get bun when somebody just annoy we. Me, good me, and the fun thing food and ice water. Stacey don't breathe it. Bun me fair man. We get bun when somebody burn we. Don't even iron come bun off the whole of my hand. Watch that. But the big piece of bun map on my hand. But you see, this season is only one type of bun that is guaranteed to get a Jamaican to smile. And that is HTB bun with tasty cheese. So here's how to get bun the HTB way. Basically, you have to go and visit a tasteofjamaica.com, and once you're there, you'll see all of the HTB bun and tasty bundles which you can choose from. Once you do that, you get free shipping to anywhere in the US. And on top of that, you can get even more discounts if you use the code right below YASO and save up to 10%. You can't ask for no better than that. So here is my message to the whole diaspora. Why you go sit down on your yard and wait for your relatives them in Jamaica to go and give your bun when you can get bun yourself with HTB? Oh Jesus and Pim, the stuff with the box of shit becoming them half of the bun already before I could do the promo. Jesus Pim, Lord of His mercy. Number 11, wedgie woes. Me black pepper. So this girl was on Smile Jamaica's Weekend Smile, I think about a week ago. And boy oh boy, I do not know if they never have a little dress rehearsal, but yeah, she never really kind of learned how to walk in a what you call it, a wedges and heels, in the wedges. And this moment happened on live TV.
Woman needs to dress every single day. Nice flowing outfit. You see that dress?
If you don't make sure touch the floor.
No, what I like about it is the person that is wearing the outfit.
But big up yourself, girl. You know, whenever the saying go, what goes down must come up, or what goes up come. You know what? I kind of miss school when they teach that, but big up yourself.
Hold up on your victory. Hold up on your victory. Hold up on your victory. Victory in Jesus. Amen. Victory in Jesus. Amen. Hold up on your victory.
Number 10, politics. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So big up all of who in a Barbados, big up all of my Bayesian followers, big up to Uno, I love Uno to the max. But you know, so the other day I have been, been learning about this lady, this sex worker that is called Natalie Harwood. And me hear so she's a sex worker and she uses social media a lot.
Yeah, back here, yeah, the same man, 1498. He come up here tonight, showing my friend he Ross.
And to box foot, story gonna come to pump when me go find out say Miss Natalie is her running for her seat in a parliament. Jesus Christ, give her a round of applause for Natalie. This girl say ambition. This girl say it don't matter where you come from, is where you're going. You can imagine a prostitute in a politics?
I'm trying to do my best to help people of Barbados. And I am not turning back.
You know one person who not in support of this?
Class, toenails painted with little fake diamonds in it. Your toes ain't richer. You're nothing but a prostitute.
Yeah.
Number 9, uniformed attack. Me must fear. care. So anyway, a group of students were seen attacking a conductor slash bus driver recently when, boy, oh boy, just look on the video, just watch the video. Oh no. Who for kids them this? Who for pity them this? Because if my mother did see me, I want with them things that in my uniform. No, appear this me, I get appear this cross my face. Not even no question I ask. Boy, we have to do better. Young people, man. Don't look better, man. Don't look better, man. Number 8, Kartel versus Nesta. Mr. City. So Kartel Tomlinson, media personality and the new head of the PNP-YO, got into a little bit of an online beef with Robert Nesta Morgan, and not Marley, the director of communications at the office of the Prime Minister, recently. After Nesta responded to an article talking about Kartel Tomlinson kind of suggesting that, you know, we should look into online voting as a means for encouraging young people to exercise their right. So Robert Nesta clapped back to Kartel's article. Him say, according to the new PNP-YO president, is it too much work for her to stand in line and vote? Forget the tremendous sacrifices our forefathers made to allow us to have this right. People died so we can now vote. Kartel Tomlinson was not her liking this one bit. Kartel Tomlinson put up this video on her Facebook fan page and she properly told Nesta about him pieces.
I want to congratulate Robert Nesta for his unrivaled ability to miss the point. He has a very unique skill of convoluting discussions and conversations to perpetuate a level of ignorance around political discussions. And I want to give him a round of applause for that. He had blocked me from Twitter, so I can't respond directly to him. So please tell him that I am very impressed with that ability. It takes skill, talent, and a lot of mental acuity to deliberately miss a point.
This is exactly how I like people for clap back. I like when my politicians, my political figures have a sense of, you know, the English language, that them know how to play with it, them know how to mold it, them know how to just properly do it with some nice, sensible etiquette. You know, I them look at something I like, them look at something I say, yes, my tax dollars can go to you.
Yo, this is David, say, big up Dirty Berry Show, social media countdown. Yes, it. I'm not sitting.
And now it is time for the big up segment. So first up, I have to big up this music video and song by Billy and X and Black Fox called Unfaithful Girl.
Watch them yelling at the street, dog. Call them evil, them a sweet dog. Buy her the world, she still a cheat dog. Oh, boy. Them gyal them no easy. Them gyal them no easy. Have your man, you still want fi free me. Them gyal them no easy. Them gyal them no easy. She a rub it on me like she want me greedy. Them gyal them no easy. Them gyal them no easy. Say she a no whore, but she can't take the poor life no more. She in a fake jewelry and her friend them in a wall. She want a real man we can bring her to the store. Buy her all she want and more.
Also, I forgot big up the ladies that participated in this half a tree flash mob dance on Women's Day. Big up Samantha Strand, yeah, come on, say you the behind all of this. Number 7, Macaroni Speaks. So, recently I have been talking about, you know, who is this Macaroni, and some want to find out who is this Macaroni, what all of the viral videos them is her about. Well, you know, I never really get to interview myself because the star, yes, you the star, run in and got it, the exclusive first.
Macaroni now is a name by as a local youth I grew up Bad Fountain Road, where I was born in St. Thomas.
The brother same time that the one bag of people call up him name and him not get no compensation, and people must not say him famous, because if he was far famous, he would have been making some money. And the man have a point.
Because why this thing out? So why other people should benefit and I not benefited? Very unfair.
But you know what is weird in all of this? I know him should have really get the spotlight and the highlight, you know, man. The persons who should really be focused on is the brother who voiced the attack in the video. Let me know, burritos. Do you agree with me? Comment below. Number 6, Andrew versus Peter. Me election. Alright, so clearly you know so this macaroni thing gone all over when it all reach into garden house. Yes, people, the politicians them are now aware of macaroni, and as usual, they find out what trend if you connect with the people, you know, yeah, so politics kind of set up. Well, first up was Peter Phillips.
Tax the poor, refuse to pay the teachers struggling, and say and give up $4 billion to bauxite multinationals. What kind of government is that? You know, sometimes, Mr. Speaker, it looked like macaroni running the government.
Congratulations, sir, congratulations, sir. Well played, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha. So before Peter Phillips' macaroni joke could even get to evaporate, no Andrew Holness rush back with film clap back in a garden house.
The leader of the opposition spoke about macaroni. Apparently, Mr. Speaker, macaroni operates a bus. And he lent his bus for a day to a friend who happens to be a supporter of the leader of the opposition. Because the friend crashed the bus, and everybody now wants to blame macaroni. The leader of the opposition in this presentation tried to blame the government for everything. But the truth is that it was we who drove the bus and wrecked it and created the problem. It was you who was driving the bus in the 1990s and wrecked the country. You, sir!
But when I like Andrew, the person who did write your speech right there, so, for your clap back, them need a raise. Give that speech writer a round of applause. Very clever, very witty, and very, very petty and shady.
Chatterbox, chatterbox, chatterbox.
So at this time I have to go call this the Chatterbox segment because every week I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Chatterbox show on YouTube. So anyway, this week on Chatterbox, them topic is colorism, and them talk about the whole light skin versus dark skin versus bleaching in the Caribbean and how it affects us.
Alright, take a stop now. Can we look at you them teach one song? There's a brown girl in the ring, sha-la-la-la-la. I'll be a brown girl in the ring, that shit.
The other day when I see a dark skinned woman from Miss Jamaica, I was so damn proud. I was like, finally.
Now where I go in this world, as long as I say, yo, I'm from Grenada.
Browning.
You're from Grenada, so like, no, you can't.
It's a light-skinned girl, man, because she has this browning attitude. Because we call him the browning syndrome. The browning syndrome.
Wait, a browning syndrome? No man, I want to actually hear about it one day. What is the browning syndrome? But if you want to watch it, just go and click the link in the bio and head on over to Chatterbox, and you can follow them at Chatterbox Show on all of them social media. Number 5, their baton. Me box foot. So the other day, this video surfaced with a police officer, I guess, reprimanding a brother for cursing some expletives when things just took an unexpected turn.
Alright, the man run and grab chain and wind up and gone, and then people look back. This is coming on big man. A station like it, one. One. Bad one. How much time you tell man to bad one? How much man you tell bad one? Don't look for chairman, you tell bad one over 7 years. I will have to give which hand? Which hand no give?
Badness! Anytime you see a Jamaican, you do the laugh there, you know. Just know right there and then.
Party done.
Hang up. Just cut, bomb a drop, run for your mother, save yourself and your whole entire family.
Badness!
Oh, Jesus Pim, the police press stop on the man ankle bone. Jesus Pim, what did I just witness? Me never know say I saw them baton them powerful. Me don't know all the details, but let me know what you think, Burritos. Do you think that the officer was wrong, or do you think it was within his right to do that? Comment below. And now check out the second random video of the week.
Me a Japan, huh? Where? In and a bad mind boy head there.
Number 4, odd duo. Me what not? So this YouTube couple, friends, amigos have been circulating all over the place. Them gone viral recently, Sarah and John, for them very witty comedic take on popular dancehall songs, dancehall and reggae songs, such as Fever.
XOXO,
my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I do not say. I'm from Potmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach day. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
And gimme.
Glimity, glamity, warty, huffy, tiny. Glimity, glamity, warty, truck shot.
No man. The video them shell. Oh god. Number 3, spicy growth. Me ultrasound. So as you might have known, dancehall artist Spice, the queen, has made her debut, her debut on VH1's Love and Hip Hop Monday we gone.
Have you ever walked miles to school and you don't have food to eat? That made me who I am today.
And people, before she could have even make her cameo, the whole entire Jamaica did kind of in a one little uproar after this little clip could surface with her stating that she outgrew Jamaica.
As the biggest dancehall queen to come out of Jamaica. You know, I do my music. I feel like I kind of outgrew my country. Okay. So I'm thinking to move to Atlanta. You gotta teach me.
What do you mean by outgrow Jamaica? What do you mean by outgrow Jamaica? You think say better than we? I feel you feel say better than we. After Jamaica come build up to where you want to come clash Jamaica on big foreign TV. Like say better than the country. After all the way we do for you. His Spice?
Yeah, that is exactly how Jamaicans felt when they heard her say the word outgrew. But me, you see, because I feel like I'm a little bit half sensible, and we understand say the way our social media set up, people hear what them want you to say than what you actually say. Like people project their own feelings, like you could have said right now, I am a vegan. If people want to hear say, you are a devil worshipper out of that, that is exactly what they're going to take from it, and you can convince them otherwise. And so I think it was the same thing in this case. All Spice need was a word for kind of put after outgrow, for kind of bring everything together. So she could have said, you know, I outgrew the dancehall scene in my country because, you know, I went to the very top and there's nothing more for me to really achieve in Jamaica. So I have to go outside of the region for really go evolve and go grow into something else and for gain more fans. That's how she should have said, but yeah, people, when she just make it stop at outgrow this, so yeah, Jamaican people wouldn't have time for really mix out all of that. So we're just ready for your attack. But anyway, comment below and tell me what you think about Spice and Love and Hip Hop. Number 2, hard knock. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, but not gonna lie. People, this video just have me in a stitches. No, me not even never said nothing, but this video was captured at Blue Hole in a Hoche Rios, and this poor girl, oh my god, I have feel it feel. Pre. People, when I saw that video for the first time, I pure laugh. Me laugh until my conscience kind of catch up to me and I realized that, oh my gosh, this girl could get seriously hurt. Our rotted hit that she get in her face, you know, man. Jesus, people, no, I wonder who posted the video. I would post up the video the other girl because they lick the it can't easy. Jesus Christ, look how far the phone there and you hear the.
One knock, two knocker.
But let me know, Burritos, like, would you try something like this? Do you think you would make a mistake like this? Comment below. And number 1 goes to Lady Gangster strikes again. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my project, my library, my entire continent. What hard do you, Lady Gangster? How can we make you stop appearing on my social media countdown? So Lady Gangster, a lady who went viral after she was, you know, caught stealing. And yeah, just watch the video where they originally make her viral.
So what I made on a piece, me a shoplifter. Because...
But yes, she is back on the scene again, going at another store. And she and one of the store clerk, them her got into a little bit of a fracas. And she ended up doing...
Call them. Why you first spit for me, got suck? And take back that pussy. On the can't even nothing in a mother care. Call the police now and put on the social media. Move your blood.
In your face.
Great. Hold that. A 4 times you there. Move your blood. See dirty man there? Yeah. See him there? Oh. Move your blood. Spit up on your... Where you feel like? Gonna call the police? I'm not touch him, I spit you up. How you feel like? See a thing could have can't do me not show me coming out. Me not teeth nothing out of this. Lick me, cause you're the front camera. Lick me. How we are trying to... Moving up blood. Oh, you spit on a check.
No man, me give up with Lady Gangster. I do not do. Me give up with Lady Gangster. Lady Gangster say viral and viral say she. Jesus, pim, Lady Gangster kick. No man, you know them type of... We should get so much spit and saliva from in a fair throat hole. The whole water commission just stuck in a fair mouth hole, so. But one thing that you can't deny is that this woman, whether you want like her or not, she's very entertaining. Something about her, it just make you want to watch. She's very entertaining. Boy, by the way, want to Barbie? Where is Barbie? Want to Barbie? No, where's Barbie? Kiss of a lip, straight, dreamy, iron, straight nose. Where Barbie? Anybody know where Barbie did? Forget about macaroni. Where's Barbie? Well, what you think about Lady Gangster, people? You think the Lady Gangster is, you know, a spoiled Jamaican name abroad? Or do you think that she's just doing her? And that's that. Well, that's it, peeps. Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry Top 10, well, Top 15 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks for all of the likes. So for this video, I want to say if you can hit 6,000 likes, so just click the like button down below and leave a comment as well. Alright, and make sure, say, if you're new to the channel, to please subscribe. I love you know all of my Caribbean peeps, all of the peeps over the diaspora, in Africa, in Canada. I love you know, and thank you so much for the support. If you want to email or book me, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. You want to follow me on social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all over. Well, that is it, people. Hope we don't got a chance, and yeah, me think say Calabar go win, but big up KC, big up Judges, Woolmans, everywhere, big up Excelsior High School, because I feel so now I'm going with a bag of things at champs this weekend. So yeah, when that happens, we can talk about it next week. Alright? Well, take care.
Something about your smile got me for a while. Something about your eyes had me hypnotized. Something about you, it's you. Something about your walk.